The Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, is urging 3 municipal corporations to move quickly to fill vacant councillor positions. In a statement, the commission says it has written to the mayors of Kingston and St. Andrews, St. Thomas and Westmoreland, reminding them that the law requires by-elections to be held within about 3 months of a vacancy arising. The ECJ says those by-elections are now overdue and has warned that the municipal corporations may be in breach of the Representation of the People Act. In the Kingston and St. Municipal Corporation, the Maxfield Park and Seivwright Gardens Division are without sitting councillors. The Morant Bay Division in St. Thomas and Petersfield Division in Westmoreland also have vacant seats. The Commission says it's ready to conduct the polls as soon as it receives the necessary directions from the relevant local authorities.